Hello students, good morning. This is Miss Kimmy and I will guide you to read your reading assignment for this week. And you will read in English and Bahasa. Are you ready to read with me? Let's start. Number 1. Ch, up, shop. Number 2. Sh, up, shop. Number 3. Ish, fish, fish. Number 4. Ich, rich, rich. Number 5. Wash, wash, wash. Well, students, that's all our reading tutorial. Please do and practice your reading assignment at home and send it to our group. Thank you and bye-bye.